you asked me about the impact of elranatamab on quality of life in patients with relapsed refractory multiple myeloma. And I do agree this is an important consideration given the advanced nature of the disease and, of course, the potential adverse events of the treatment, but also the cumulative toxicity of prior treatments in these patients and what they typically endure. So I think we need first to highlight that through its mechanism of action, elranatamab as a bispecific antibody can rapidly lead to anti-myeloma activity, which directly translates into clinical benefit for patient with symptom relief, less bone pain, improvement in the fatigue, but also an overall functional improvement, because obviously an effective disease control can result in improved mobility, reduced healthcare visits, and of course, a greater ability to perform daily activities. And as you may guess, all of these improvements will likely contribute to a better quality of life in these patients. On the other hand, we should not neglect the potential impact of adverse events on quality of life. The good news is that thanks to the step-up dosing, the risk of CRS, of severe CRS, is relatively low. The risk of neurotoxicity is also very low, and it has little impact on the quality of life. When it comes to the risk of opportunistic infections, this is a serious risk, and this is why, especially that relapsed refractory multiple myeloma patients are already prone to infections due to prior treatments and immune dysfunction. And of course, using a bispecific antibody like elranatamab may exacerbate this risk, especially in relation with the severe hypogammaglobulinemia. But again, thanks to some robust mitigation measures, prophylactic measures like antiviral, antifungal prophylaxis, systematic administration of immunoglobulins, whether intravenous or subcutaneous, will help to preserve the quality of life. And last but not least, I would like to emphasize that the capacity of bispecific antibodies like elranatamab to allow patients to achieve deep and durable responses will obviously translate on the long term into a better quality of life. And to highlight all of these claims, I would like to mention that in the Magnetism MM3 trial, there was an analysis of patient-reported outcomes, and these PROs could show an improvement in the global health status and in functional and symptom scales. And finally, we should not forget the psychological impact of all this when it comes to better disease control and decrease of the disease symptoms. So in summary, I would say the impact of elranatamab, again, this is also true for other bispecific antibodies in the same indication, has positive aspects when it comes to quality of life, when it comes to the disease control, reduction in symptom burden, improved functional status, and psychological well-being. And of course, as more data become available from ongoing trials, I think we will hear more about the role of bispecific antibodies in improving quality of life. And this issue will be even more defined, especially as the mitigation strategies of the associated adverse events are going to continue to evolve. Thank you very much for your attention.